In this video, we're going to take a look at how Website Baker is structured. So make sure you go to the Website Baker directory. You'll notice that when we first get there, there's nothing, and that's because we haven't even made a single page yet. So we need to go to the admin section by putting admin after Website Baker. We'll come in here. I was already logged in, so it remembered that. We'll go to Pages, and we're going to create a new page. Now you can choose the type of page you want to create in Website Baker, which is a little different than CM Simple. In CM Simple, you pretty much just create HTML pages. And there's some other things you can kind of do, but with this, you can create PHP code, you can do forms, menu links, news, wrappers, which is wrapping HTML, or WYSIWYG. WYSIWYG is your most common type of page. Now, you can also choose which parent page you're using and whether or not you can see it as a public page or a private page. You have to be logged in to see it. You have to be a registered user, or it's hidden, or you can't see it at all. There's no way to access it, which means it's completely hidden. A hidden page you could actually link to. A none page you could not link to. So we'll call this home page. Click on Add, and I'll say welcome. Glad you are here to visit my site. And of course, it'd be great if we could just put in lots of text just to show that it is generating what we need. I'm going to change my welcome to a heading, so heading 1, save that page. Now in order to view this website, I can click on View over here on the top right, and you'll see that there is my first page. So it has saved out my page. Now this website system is a little beefier, obviously. You can create lots of different pages. You can create as many as you want, and the pages are actually putting the information in a database. We can also do things like insert media, audio, video. We can upload any type of file that we want, and we can create folders and everything, which is really great. So if I wanted to create a folder which was just for videos, I can create that folder, and you'll see then I can go inside that folder and I can upload any files that I want into that folder. So it's great. When it comes to add-ons, there are modules and templates and stuff that you can add on. So some of the installed modules right now are right here. So you can actually look at details about these modules if you want. You can also install modules that you get from online. With preferences, we have the ability to change passwords, also what our names are. The settings are for the site itself, such as description, keywords, headers, and footers that we want on every page. We can also do things like intro pages, login, and so here's some nice features where you have the ability to do things like homepage redirection, smart login, section blocks. There's a lot of cool things. Blocks are really great about this system. It's one of the things I really like a lot. There's a lot of other settings that we can go into as well, and of course that means that you really have to start learning the content management system. You can also change permissions with this system. It's pretty beefy what you can do in this particular settings panel, which I like. With admin tools, you have the ability to back up things, check your droplets, JavaScript admin, and then access allows you to create users and groups, which I think is really great, because you can have groups that have access to pages or media, but they don't have access to other things, and you can really determine what they have access to, which I think is really great. So let's say that we have editors. Editors can only view and modify content, but they are not able to add any content. So it's really neat what you can do. I'll do editors, add, and you'll see I've added that group. So I could then go in and add a user under that group, which is great. So I like Website Baker for the flexibility it has. Now when it comes to the templates, it's very similar to CM Simple. I'll go to Website Baker, Templates, and you'll see these are the typical ones. Here's the round one, and so it's got index.php. I can open up that with Notepad, and I can see the PHP that they put in here.